Hey guys, what's going on here? Welcome back. This is Jeremy. This video is going to touch on the entrepreneur and how they need to stay focused. There's a million different videos out there promoting a million different things, but what Joshua Elder teaches you in this quest is to stick to one thing and stay the course with it. Stay with me, keep watching as Joshua Elder is going to share his concept. If you found value in this video, click the thumbs up icon and click the link in the video's description to see more. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. And without further ado, Josh.
Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And this is a much needed video for a lot of you guys. And this is going to be about the truth about making money online. And I know a lot of you guys, you're frustrated, you're overwhelmed by all these YouTube videos and all these gurus and all these people teaching you different ways to make money on the internet. And you're like, who the heck do I listen to? As a matter of fact, I was on TikTok last night on my phone, and this kid was teaching how to go to the Nike store, the outlets, buy Nike socks, tie-dye them, and then sell them for 10 bucks a pair and make a profit, which is pretty cool. He was also showing people how to go to Taco Bell and basically take all the sauces and then sell them on eBay and make money that way. And so that's just an example that there's so many different ways to make money on the internet, but you really have to just, instead of just going through all these different ways to make money, you really have to pick one. And I teach my audience, which is affiliate marketers mostly. I teach people how to make money online by selling other people's digital and physical products online. And one of the things that I tell them is to watch more of what people are doing versus what people are saying. Because a lot of what people are saying, they've never put it into practice. They've never done it themselves before. They're just putting out that content to get views and get subscribers and build their audience. And so the reason why I've been uploading a lot less lately is because I don't want to overwhelm you guys. I want to teach you one strategy, one method. I don't want this just to be another make money online channel with a gazillion videos that teach much ado about nothing, that teach you how to make, PayPal money in 5 minutes a day, or how to type names and make 500 bucks a day. That is just not a long-term, consistent business model. And it's not to say that what I was watching last night doesn't work and he hasn't put it into practice, because he has, but that's just an example of the overwhelm that people are dealing with. And really, when it comes to selling other people's products, specifically just speaking to those affiliate marketers right now, all you really need to do, don't try and find where the buyer traffic is. Stop going through video after video. What you need to do is you need to connect with your audience. It doesn't matter how rich they are, it doesn't matter how broke they are, it doesn't matter where they're at in life. If you can prove to them that you can help them and they believe that your product can change their lives, then they're gonna buy it. They're gonna be resourceful. They're gonna find the money. So a lot of you guys are sitting back, you're over analyzing, you're contemplating on what to do next. You're being paralyzed by analysis paralysis, in other words, and you're just not moving forward. And you have to make mistakes to move forward. You might go into a niche, you might pick a product, you might pick a business model that just completely flops. And then you might pick another business model that flops. But through that, you create clarity, you create competence, you create confidence, and you start generating results. A lot of people just want this guaranteed way of making money. Like, how fast can I make money? When will I start making money? And it's crazy because it's different for everyone. It's like, I don't know their current mental state. I don't know how many projects they have on their plate. I don't know if they're willing to take personal responsibility and go through the training and take action. All I can do is show the countless testimonials that I have from my trainings and my teachings and my courses. And all these people have one thing in common. They take full responsibility for their success and their failure. They're consistent. Every single day they have a schedule of what they need to get done, and they go out and they get it done. So the next thing that you come across, the next video, the next program, just run with it, especially if you're somebody that's dealing with this analysis paralysis, this overwhelm, this I don't know what niche to pick or I don't know what business model to pick. There's so many different ways to make money online. Just pick one. It might be this one. It might be affiliate marketing. It might be something else. But if you just focus on one model and one strategy and become an expert of one niche, one thing versus a jack of all trades like a lot of people, you're gonna go a long way. And after being in this industry, in this niche for so many years, I'm really 10xing my results and 10xing my income as a result of just sticking the path and sticking to one thing. Because what will happen is 3 months in, people aren't taking you seriously. 6 months in, they're kind of starting to take you seriously. 1 year in, they're like, okay, this guy's doing some things, but is he still legitimate? And then 2 years, 3 years, every year that comes after that first year, people begin to see you more and more and more as an authority. So those of you guys that are opportunity hopper entrepreneurs, that are jumping from one thing to another, you're actually making less money by trying to have multiple streams of income versus going deep with one niche. Because when people see you as an expert in that one industry and that one niche, you take all of the market share because your authority and your experience is drastically better than the next guy, the next person. So I hope this eliminates a lot of overwhelm. It gives you a lot of clarity. If you're an affiliate marketer and you're struggling to get sales, to get leads, it's because you're not consistent. And it's because you're not focused on giving your audience what it needs and what it wants. You have these limiting beliefs like, I don't have buyer traffic, there's some secret video on YouTube out there, or some secret program with some secret hack out there that I have yet to find and no one's sharing it with me. It's not that whatsoever. It's your consistency, and it's the fact that your audience needs to believe in you. They need to trust you. They need to know that you're there to help them every freaking step of the way. If you do that, I promise you, you're gonna start seeing the results that you want. So if you're somebody that is struggling, you wanna start affiliate marketing, you're an affiliate marketer that wants access to a system that you can stick to long-term, feel free to click the link below, check out my top recommendation. If you got value from this video, please like it. Also, this channel is all about helping you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So please subscribe, tick that bell icon to receive all notifications of future videos that I upload when I upload them. It's essential that you tick that bell, especially if you want to receive all the updates. So go ahead and do that. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.